Hi, today in front of me ZTE Axon 25G, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. Let's first open the settings and then tap to home screen and lock screen section, then tap to Always On Display, and to change the style of the AOD, tap to More Styles and select one from these available styles. You can change here the color of the text to switch or to add here some stickers, some patterns. For example, let's use this one. Just click done to apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.